Hello guys, gawa tayo ng apritada. So we got oil. Prituhin muna natin carrots and patatas. Okay, add the bell pepper. Add pepper and salt. Okay, set aside natin ha. Same pan, add the sibuyas and the bawang. Add the chicken. Ilagay na lang paminta. Patis guys, patis. Okay, let's add our tomato. I'll use the stew. You can use tomato sauce, okay? But I will just use this thing. Then water. Let it boil. Put the chicken and we'll be back. Okay, lagay natin yung carrots saka patatas. Palambutin natin. Lagyan natin ng sugar. You can use white or brown. Left out bell pepper and some green peas. Okay, green peas yun lang. Kaigahin lang natin ng konti and then it's apritada.